So I have the tremendous privilege and honor beyond words to welcome to the stage our very dear Babaji, the most beautiful soul who has brought us together to enter and to launch the HKL movement across the world, uniting hearts from over 70 countries today. And I have no doubt that many more will be touched and join the movement today. Please join me in welcoming Babaji.
First of all, I want to warn you that the heavyweight world boxing champion, Mr. Frank Bruno is here. Not only him, with him, another heavyweight boxer, Joe Egan. So you better all behave. There is my son Frank and Joe. Thank you. What a day it is. And these moments. Rarely in the history of mankind, He blesses us with moments which can change the direction of our lives. The direction of our lives. Lieutenant of the King Charles, Mr. Edward Tate, he was giving us the message. He is supposed to be, not only supposed to be, he is a member of the royal family. And he was giving us message of the king. And his words, starting from us, starting with humility, kindness and love, this world can become so beautiful place. Let's thank him for recognizing the beauty of this. This is all about HKL. Starting with us, starting with humility, kindness and love. A new you and me. A new households, new towns, new countries, a new world. And what an honor it is to witness that here are some of the faces of the new world. Humility, kindness and love. I bow down to you so humbly. That to embrace this requires a great courage, humility, kindness and love. They are not the signs of weakness, they are the mightiest force humans have been blessed with by the divine. I'll be coming back to that. Yesterday, I was here to see the venue, and I sang a couple lines of his song. And then, while going back to Walsall, one of my sons said that I was frightened by what you were saying. What I was saying, I was putting the truth before you. We must recognize the state of our consciousness and the plight of the world. The best way to express ourselves, as we all know, are our mother tongues. So I'll be singing in that, but there will be translation there. You would be able to read the meanings. गल वे हकीकतां दी करनी है नाल तेरे ते जरा सोचां तो वे होए ओ परे. Oh my dear ones, I want to talk to you the plain truth. Please remove yourself from the thinking. Thinking is automatically keeps happening to us at our forehead. Let us remove our focus to our heart and feel the beating hearts. So we would remove ourselves from the thinking. So please remove yourself from the thinking, because it's something which belongs to the heart, which belongs to our lives. गल हकीकतां दी करनी है नाल तेरे ते जरा सोचा तो वे होए ओ परे. हवावां देआं कागजां ते खत वे मनुखता नूं दिल साडा लिखदा रवे. Every day my heart writes letters to the whole humanity on the pages of the wind. My heart writes letters to the whole humanity on the pages of the wind. ਹਵਾਵਾਂ ਦਿਆਂ ਕਾਗਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੇ ਖਤ ਵੇ ਮਨੁੱਖਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਲਿਖਦਾ ਰਵੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਵੇ ਗਏ The whole humanity is one family. Whole humanity are children of the same supreme power, creator, divine. This reality, which cannot be forgotten, how come we have forgotten that? How come we have forgotten that truth? एक परिवार ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਵੇ ਗਏ ਸੁਰਤ ਤੇ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਵੇਖ ਚੰਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਵੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਤੇ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ All humans have been blessed with the same consciousness. All humans are created by the same creator. All humans are blessed with the same consciousness. But why we all have become different from each other? Because how we use that God-given consciousness. That's the only difference. The basic consciousness, the basic awareness in all humanity is the same. We are inseparable. Cannot be separated even we try our best. And our breaths are common. We are breathing the same air, all of us. That person's breath who went into him came here, went into me, and is going to go. Imagine our relationship with each other. What a relationship we have with each other, that we are sharing the same breath. Same consciousness. What a relationship. Unbelievable. Unbelievably intimate. There's no word even intimate, it's just we all are dissolving into each other, actually dissolved already into each other. And it's just illusion that we are separate from each other. Surat te sanje ਵੇਖ ਚੰਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਆਵੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਤੇ कि हो जाए तेरे ते मेरे सारियां दे अंदर अज डरे डरे लगदे ने ते भरोसा कोई भी न किसे ते करे. I look around and see everybody is fearful. Fearful. Fearful of the hurt, fearful of losing something. And nobody, today, nobody trusts anybody. While what a relationship we have with each other. Nobody trusts anybody. सारियां दे अंदर अज डरे डरे लगदे ने ते भरोसा कोई भी न किसे ते करे. परां जाए खलो के गल हुंदी अज अपनी वे ते नैन अपने न शंके परे. Today when we talk to each other, we stand at a distance. Not consciously, even this thing has gone so deep into the pores of our consciousness that I must not come close to anybody lest I get hurt, lest I lose something. And everybody's eyes are full of doubts. When we are talking to each other, our eyes keep looking at others' reaction, and eyes keep watching. How is he receiving me? I must, because we don't trust. Why we don't trust? Because we are not trustworthy. It's not other person's fault. It's my fault. I have made you doubtful about me. Who am I? What a plight of the humanity. What an intersection we have come to. परां जाए खलो के आपां, परां जाए खलो के गल हुंदी अज अपनी वे ते नैन अपने न शंके परे. एक दूजे लई आपां हो गए बेगाने क्यों ते किथे आत्मे गवासी ले. How come we have become strangers to each other? We have become strangers to each other because we have lost connection with our souls. And now we are lost. We don't know who we are. Lost. The consciousness is wandering around everywhere aimlessly. एक दूजे ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ हो गए बेगाने क्यों? Why have we become strangers to each other? My heart is asking you. एक दूजे ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ हो गए बेगाने क्यों? ते किथे आत्मे गवासी ले? हर कोई लुकाई फिरे दर्द आपो अपने वे, ते फिक्की मुस्कान मुहां ते दिसे. Everybody is carrying pains in them, hurts. They're hiding deep within them, hiding from others, but everybody is carrying that pain. And when we smile, that's not real smile. That's a false, tasteless smile. Tasteless smile. हर कोई लुकाई फिरे दर्द आपो अपने वे, ते फिक्की मुस्कान मुहां ते दिसे. This is about us. This is the world we have created for ourselves. Nobody else is responsible for this, just us. देश ना नगर कोई नाही कारबार किते, बे मुहारे जय पैर ने सबे. This, my mind or consciousness, this poor has no country, has no city, has no home where it can rest. Our consciousness has no place to rest. We are always restless, unpeaceful. Why we love to sleep? Because this consciousness finds few moments to rest. But that's not the real rest. It still remains half awake, dreaming. And our feet are directionless. We are not convinced what is my real purpose, why I have been put on this planet. The new generation is asking these questions. We have to answer them, and we can only answer them if we know the answer. If the direction of our feet is correct, only then we can give direction to the coming generations. Today we are totally lost. देश ना नगर कोई नाही कारबार किते, बेमुहारे जय पैर ने सबे. हाल वेख परिवार दा ਫਿਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਰਹੇ ਦਿਲ ਨਿਤ ਲੰਮੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਵੈਣ ਪਾਵੇ seeing at the plight of my family my heart cries and in deep sadness it sings songs of sadness, and this is one of them. ਹਾਲ ਵੇਖ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦਾ ਫਿਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਰਹੇ ਦਿਲ ਨਿਤ ਲੰਮੇ ਲੰਮੇ ਵੈਣ ਪਾਵੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਗਲ ਲੱਗ ਰੋ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੀ ਗਲ ਲੱਗ ਰੋ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਦੇਵੇ My heart embraces itself and cries. And there is nobody to console it. It just embraces itself and cries every day. अपने ही गल लग रो लेंदा दिल साडा ते इनू कोई भी ना हौसला देवे अंदरी है राज अज हाँ मैं खुद गर्जियां दा ते कोई सुख शांत किवें वे रवे We are being governed, our thoughts and our deeds are being governed by our selfishness, by our ego and selfishness. We are being governed, we are being ordered, we are being driven by selfishness and ego. How can I become peaceful? How can I help anybody else become peaceful? What I have been doing, just the reverse. That's why we are where we are today. अंदरी है राज अज हाँ मैं खुद गर्जियां दा ते कोई सुख शांत किवें वे रवे समा इनकलाब दा अत एव शेष चन्ना This time when we see the world collapsing around us, cruelty, unconcernedness, no compassion. Not only we don't have any compassion for others, we don't have even compassion for ourselves. We accept whatever is happening every day, and we have become numb to the pain which outside events bring to us. we have become numb. We feel, I'm helpless. That's what Lieutenant Edward Tate said, that alone we feel helpless. But starting with ourselves, starting with humility, kindness and love, we can become so powerful. And this is the time of revolution, inner revolution. Outside events are only reflection of our inner state of consciousness. Outside events are just reflection of our insides. Until and unless our insides don't change, the world outside is going to keep becoming more and more unjust, cruel, killing each other, hatred. This is the time. Crises are not punishments to us. Crises are a catalyst. Crises are catalysts to push humanity to transform. COVID-19 came and we were shaken. Take care of your health. This is a very precious vessel, human body. It's a temple of the divine. Do not misuse it. Do not abuse it. Must respect it. So inner revolution is the call of the day. And this is the only way. Until we change ourselves, until we become peaceful, until we become humble, and it's not becoming humble, it's actually recognizing these virtues which are already within us. All we have to do is just connect ourselves with humility, kindness and love. And that's what we will be doing in the next session. I'll be crisis, pain is the teacher, door, crises are the doors to exit. We must exit from where we are, not physically, where our consciousness is. We must exit from there. It is amazing that we have been tolerating this state of our consciousness, which is so unpeaceful, unloving, unkind, all those things. We must exit from this space and go to our real home, which is humility, kindness and love. ਸਮਾਂ ਇਨਕਲਾਬ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਚੰਨਾ ਤੇ ਬੂਹੇ हौसले दलेरियां खड़े. This is the time of revolution, and revolution can only happen, can make happen by brave and courageous people. And bravery and courage, we are blessed with him. So we have those to bring the revolution. We know where to go, where is our home, and it is so simple to do that. Sama inqilab dae at vishesh channa te buhe हौसले दलेरियां खड़े. चल आपां चलीए पिंड वे हलेमियां दे ते जा वसीए वे अपने करे. Let us all go to where we belong to, within our roots. That's our home. That's the only place we can rest. That's the only place our consciousness can rest, is within, nowhere outside. Let us all go our home. चल आपां चलीए पिंड वे हलेमियां दे ते जा वसीए वे अपने करे. सोने तेरे शहर असीं आए अज सजना वे वड्डी सारी आस करे. Oh my dear ones, my beloved family, we have come to your city today with a great hope that you would join this human profession which is going to their homes. The procession which is going to their homes, all humanity. That's why we are here today, with great hope that you will join us. So we are here in your beautiful city, even though our consciousness does not belong to. सोने तेरे शहर असीं आए अज सजना वे ते वड्डी सारी आस करे. With a great hope that you will join this procession which is going home where humility is, kindness is, love is. That's our homes. When enough people starts walking that path, the world would become so beautiful. And this is the new face of that world. This is what the world has been waiting for. New world. A new you and me. we must not spend even a moment in this old, cold, hateful, stressed, worried, this village. No, this is not. He did not create us to live in a space like that. He loves us. Thank you so much to all of you. I will be back again and we will practice how to go home. Thank you.
One soul.